welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share meeting notes with Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to share meeting notes in Notion, all you can do is simply get logged in into your Notion account. Once you have logged in into your Notion account, you can either collaborate in real time or generate a shareable link. First of all, you need to create a new page. Once you've created a new page, you need to take your notes. Now you need to simply tap on the share button. Once you have tapped on the share button, you can simply invite specific people to your workspace. You can simply type in the email, name, or their personal group names. Once you have done this, you can simply copy link and send it to them as well, and simply restrict some people as well. So after doing this, you can simply add guests via the email as well, and you can adjust permissions like view, edit, comment, and control access for different people. So this way, you can simply share meeting notes with Notion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.